previously you have any IT experience or?
No, I don't have any IT experience. I learned manual testing.
Mm-hmm.
So to explain,
Sorry, Samshiva.
have a little bit only.
Okay, you
Uh,
can tell what you know. So without cloud, we can't do any project.
yeah, yeah. No,
Without cloud also we can do. Previously, we don't have cloud. Okay, recently after 2011 or 2007, I think it was started, but in the market, okay, 2014 or 13 onwards like that. Um, so it is nothing but infrastructure. Suppose if you want to construct a building, what is the first requirement?
yeah.
What is your first requirement to construct building?
Construct building infrastructure.
Uh, First requirement. What is that first requirement?
Build,
Hmm.
build and test
No,
plan.
no. Uh, First requirement it is the land, correct?
Yes.
If you have the land, okay, then you are going to implement according to your plan, raw materials, manpower,
Manpower.
okay. So like that, to start your software project, what is the basic requirement?
No, yeah, exactly. Tell me, like,
Mm. So just you can think, you can use your brain. So Dinesh, so many software projects are there, right? So basically, what is the first requirement? So how the software projects?
Requirement,
Yeah.
requirement gathering, design,
Uh,
implementation,
okay. How they are going?
deployment, maintenance.
Yeah. Suppose if you are going to just if you want to book a ticket, uh, okay, railway. Okay. Suppose railway department is there. They have their railway ticket booking app is there. IRTC. Correct.
yes.
So IRTC is there. So that app, how it is working? App or something website? What is the backend? Suppose if you book any ticket, the information is available, right? Your name and when you
Yeah.
take in, yeah, when you take in that slot and which train,
Right.
place from and to location.
Yes.
So in your hand you have the mobile. So mobile in the sense you have the RAM and your external storage is also there, correct? It is going to store some information. You have the laptop, you are going to no need internet, right? You are going to copy files and you can keep to expose your files and everything you need internet, correct? Storage, that is storage. But if you want to um, I mean access files from other place to in your location, or if you want to transfer your files from your location to other, in the sense compulsory need internet, okay. So basic requirement to start a software project, what is that? Compulsory we need server, correct?
Yes.
Without server, where you can create your website or something, where you can implement your website or something, whatever it may be, server is compulsory, okay. Server is compulsory. If you have the server, then if you don't have the storage, if you don't have the network, what's the use, correct? This is called software infrastructure, I mean, you have the storage, you have the server, you have the network, you have the database, correct? All these are called infrastructure. Dinesh, are you getting my point?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So previously, if people, if they are not going to use cloud, okay, I mean, without cloud, they have, suppose many companies are there, Accenture and something Wipro. I mean, they established it, okay, long back. Okay, without cloud, they are doing many projects, correct? Recently migrated all the projects into the, not all the projects, 30 to 40 projects, maybe, I think, moved into the cloud. Majorly not moved still now. Okay, they are using their on premises in the sense they have their own data centers. Okay, they have their own data centers. Own data center in the sense they are going to invest their money on the servers, storage, okay, network, everything. Like suppose you have an apartment, okay, so how you can get your electricity? So suppose if you are in any location, Hyderabad, so how you are going to get electricity from the Department of Electricity, correct? That is TS something, Telangana related TS PDCL something, okay, Southern Power Distribution Company Limited, that is Telangana state. They are going to give power to your apartment if you done all the process, but you not done that one, then how you can get power? Second way, you have the generator room, okay, you are going to invest your money in the form of diesel or something and manpower, you will get power, but that is different, that is your investment. Okay, here also you are going to pay electricity bill monthly, that is also called investment. You can compare to this investment and that investment, it is different, right? Okay, advantages are there, but see, you need to invest your money on the generator and manpower and maintenance, correct? And some pollution is there from that. Okay, so from the generator 24 hours you will get the power, but the maintenance is there and equipment damage will be there if you operate continuously, correct? You need to establish many generators, sometimes shutdown will be there. See, uh, like that, okay, previously all the people, they are using their own data centers. I mean, they don't have the cloud environment. Okay, nowadays, okay, so to start any company, it is a too much burden. We need to invest lot of money before going to start project on the infrastructure. Okay, so next tomorrow, if you have you are going to start project, in the sense you can invest your money from tomorrow onwards only, in that particular hour only, and you can take any service. I mean, like electricity, how much time you are going to consume your power, you are going to pay as per the unit charge. Like that here, per hourly, and what's the size of the machine you are going to use, according to that you are going to pay your cloud bill, correct? So this is the advantage. So that's the reason many people, they are using cloud, due to your billing and maintenance cost reduces, and you can get I mean, any service at the spot. I mean, within minutes, no need to wait. You need, and you can launch, and you can pay the bill from that particular time. Okay, so the providers, cloud providers are Amazon Web Services. This is first. Second, they come down with, next to second place, Azure and GCP. These are also clouds, and Alibaba Cloud is also there. Like Ambani is there, right? So he is going to investment his total economic in different areas. Like that, those people there, if he is also interested, he can invest money in the cloud also. Okay. See, some companies, they are going to pay bill. AWS account bill monthly 1 lakh 50 lakhs, 1 lakh 40. Sorry, not 1 lakh, 1 crore 40 lakhs. 1 crore 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs monthly bill. That is monthly, not annually. That much billing is there. A small startup company also, they are going to pay monthly 3 to 4 lakhs. A small company also, that much billing will be there. Okay, so that's the reason many people who, so like how they are going to invest money on power and cement and other things, land. So those people, they are going to invest money on cloud environment. So there are these people are different, like Flipkart and Amazon. Okay, but the service and the concept is same, but those are the competitors. And something, they are going to give, okay, uh, some more benefits. Okay, so comparing to AWS, okay, Azure, it is, they are going to give all the tools inside, no need to go and dependent on other tools. No need to go outside of the Azure. But in case of AWS, sometimes we need to depend some of the tools from outside. But comparing to all the clouds, AWS is so fast, remaining all are slow comparing to AWS. Suppose if you want to create any infrastructure, okay, you can quickly create from the AWS side, but not like Azure and GCP. Some delay will be there. They are slowly. They're completely, comparing to the AWS, they are slow. Okay. So this is about cloud. Then coming to the DevOps. Okay. Um, so what is DevOps?
Development operations.
Yeah, development and operation. Okay. Development and operation, correct. So development in the sense, so what we are going to develop? We are going to develop the code, right? Without code, okay, we can't, create any application or deployment, right? Okay. So code, it is nothing but you are going to prepare your code, that is Java code or something Python, correct? Whatever it may be, whatever it may be. Okay. You are going to update your code in the SCM tool, that is Git. GitLab is there, Bitbucket is, okay. So you have different, repositories. SCM tools are there. Okay, fine. Development and operation in the sense, developers, they are going to write code in terms of Java or Python or something, whatever it may be. Operations in the sense, okay, so customer point of the view, suppose if you are using a banking application, so per day, suppose 10,000, sorry, 10 lakhs transactions are there per day. A majorly big uh, banking domain will be there, suppose you can assume. Okay. So then 10 lakh transactions in the sense, maybe at least 100 to 150 or 1000 or 2000 transactions will be failed. You can assume all will not be success. Then operation team, they are going to identify, so why the transaction it was failed, what's the reason, any server issue or client issue, and which time it was failed. All the details will be taken by the operation team, and those information is given to the development team, and in the middle you have that one. Uh, we are the people, okay, DevOps. They are going to give information to us. So we are going to check so whether it is a dev team problem or something, an application problem or deployment issue, everything. I mean, we are going to reduce the time gap between development and operation. It is nothing but a DevOps. Okay, and DevOps, it is nothing but, okay, if you have the project, okay, so without DevOps you can complete the project, just you can assume 6 months, but with DevOps you can complete the project within 4 to 3 months. Okay, so due to this your billing will be reduced and your project outcome will be come very quickly. Okay, you can sell your project, correct, totally you will be profit. Okay. And number of employees also will be reduced sometime at the automation side. So because in DevOps, okay, so many people they are going to ask, okay, coding will be there or not? Okay, coding will be there or not? Okay, see here we don't have any coding, but bash scripting is there. Okay, I mean scripting, it is nothing but, okay, group of Linux commands are there. Okay, we are going to make it a file that is nothing but a script file. Okay, that is nothing but a script file, that is nothing but a script file. Okay, so here you don't have any coding, but you need to write some of I mean Docker files, Terraform files, .tf files, Ansible playbooks, and Kubernetes manifest file. Got it? You are here also in DevOps, you are the developer. How we can say you are the developer? Because you are going to write your playbook, Docker file, Terraform file, and Kubernetes manifest file. And you are also going to be work as an testing side. Testing in the sense, how we can say testing in the sense, you are going to test, okay, the Docker file is working properly or not. And you are going to work on build side also, build and deploy, because you are going to build your Docker file, and you are, after that you are going to deploy that something image into some particular Kubernetes manifest file or something, whatever it may be. And you are going to be work on release also. Release in the sense project release will be there, in the sense you are going to work on that side also. Totally, I mean, in DevOps, okay, your role it is everywhere. There is no restriction. You need to work as a sometime. You need to work as a like a development side. Development in the sense you need to write all the files and update all the files in the GitHub repository. Okay, and you need to build, you need to test, you need to deploy, you need to work in production. You have different aspects are there in DevOps. Correct? So, Shiva, are you understand?
Yeah, yes, I understand.
Dinesh?
Yeah, understand.
Okay, you got one clarity about AWS and DevOps.
Yeah.
I was explained two differently. Combination in the sense I will tell. So we are going to implement everything, okay, everything from our cloud AWS side. I mean, we are going to take server. I mean, it is nothing but EC2 mission, and we can implement everything from our EC2 mission. I mean, everything in the sense we are going to install Jenkins, we are going to install Docker, we are going to install Kubernetes, we are going to install Ansible, and then we can involve every tool, DevOps tools on our AWS servers. And sometimes we are going to use S3 bucket as the artifact. Okay, so the combination is there. Okay, in the market, the combination you have much demand. Okay, AWS DevOps, Azure DevOps, like that. Combination is there. Okay, if you learn combination, then you have good market. Okay, you have good market outside. Okay, so anything, if you need clarity, then I will explain about AWS and DevOps. Dinesh and Samsiva.
No.
Good. Are you understand up to here?
Yeah, understand. Yeah.
No. No. Yeah, fine.